Hi, this is Lawrence and welcome back to Light Walks. Today we're back in the Blue Bay beach in Netanya. Today we're following one of the city's most scenic coastal routes and with beautiful Mediterranean views along the way. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below. Don't worry, there's plenty to see, absolutely no swimming test. Let's go for a walk. We're beginning our walk in the Blue Bay area of northern Netanya. This neighbourhood combines modern residential living with a small commercial centre serving local residents. At the street level you'll find cafes, restaurants, convenience stores and other businesses, while above them are apartment and residential buildings overlooking the surrounding area. Much of this part of Netanya has been significant development over the recent decades as the city has expanded northwards. The goal was to create a modern neighbourhood close to the Mediterranean while providing residents with easy access to shops serving recreational areas. Blue Bay itself is the name of the beach and the hotel that has long been associated with the northern section of the city. Today the area offers a quiet atmosphere compared to the busy city centre, making it popular for both families and those people who are living near the sea. And one of the three neighbourhoods where you can walk down for the coffee, pick up groceries and be by the beach a few minutes later. The lifestyle many people can get used to very quickly. When I travel and film walking tours across Israel, I often connect to public Wi-Fi's in parks, cafes and public places. To keep my connection secure, I use NordVPN. NordVPN helps protect your internet privacy and lets you browse safely wherever you are. If you'd like to try it yourself, scan the QR code on the screen or check the link in the video description below to get a special deal for viewers of Israeli Light Walks. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's continue our walk. now reached one of the most attractive viewpoints along the Blue Bay coastline. Here you'll find beachfront cafes, bar positioned above the shoreline, offering panoramic views across the Mediterranean Sea. Places like this have become especially popular in the late afternoon and evening when visitors gather to enjoy a drink while watching the change of the colours of the sea and the sky. Whether it's a coffee, a cold drink or something a little stronger, the setting does a lot of work. From here the coastline unfolds below, and the sandy beaches, gentle waves and uninterrupted views stretching along the shore. It's easy to decide why people choose this location to relax, meet friends or enjoy sunset. And of course, the view is good. Offering a second drink can start to feel like it's a public service. We're now walking directly along the Blue Bay beach. To our right side, the sandy cliffs that characterize much of Netanya's coastline, while to the left side, the Mediterranean Sea rolls gently onto the shore. One of the interesting features of this section of the beach is the collection of rock formations scattered in the shallow water, covered in algae and shaped by years of wind and waves. Each rock seems to have developed its own unique form. Together they create an almost abstract landscape, while nature has become the artist. As the sun begins to sink lower into the sky, the scene takes a different character. The warm light reflects off the water, the cliffs glow with golden tones, and the shadow stretches across the sand. Moments like this remind us where the sunsets continue to attract people to the coastlines all over the world. There's something timeless about standing between the land and the sea at the end of the day, whether you're here alone, with friends, or with someone special. It's difficult to not to pause for a moment and appreciate the view. Thank you for joining me on a beautiful Blue Bay coastline in northern Netanya. If you enjoyed the scenery and relaxing atmosphere, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below. This really supports our channel and we really greatly appreciate it. For more beach view walks, city tours and travel adventures, click on the thumbnail appearing on your screen. Until our next adventure, thank you for watching and let's go for a walk.